Welcome to this 30-minute Yoga Nidra for a sound sleep practice. Thank you for being here. My name is Danielle Henry, and I am grateful that I can share this deep relaxation practice with you, designed to help you achieve deep relaxation and a sound sleep. In this guided meditation, you will be led through a series of steps that will allow you to release physical and mental tension, calm your mind, and connect with your innermost self. No prior experience is necessary, so go ahead and find a comfortable place. You can lie down on your back with a pillow under your head and knees, arms resting by your side with your palms facing up, or sit in a comfortable chair with your feet flat on the floor and your hands resting on your lap. You can cover yourself with a blanket and wear comfortable clothing. You could also cover your eyes. The practice of Yoga Nidra is a powerful technique. Take a deep breath in through your nose and release it now through your mouth. It's important to find a comfortable position, so if you feel like you need to shift, now is the time to do so. Be sure that you can fully relax. During this practice, you may experience physical sensations, emotions, or thoughts. This is normal and part of the process. Simply observe these experiences without judgment and allow them to pass by. Remember that you are in a safe and supportive place. Now take a few more deep breaths to settle in and get comfortable. Allow yourself to be fully present in this moment and open to this experience. Start to feel your body relaxing and settling into your space. As your eyes close, consciously make an effort to relax any areas in your body that feel quite tensed. Notice the space around your forehead, down into your cheeks and your jaw. Move down your body and scan your body here. A brief scan to settle in. Relaxing through the neck and your shoulders, letting go through your arms. Feel your legs. Let your legs completely relax. And feel your belly. Just notice the movement as you breathe in and out. The belly rises and descends, relaxing deeply within each space that you feel. Notice your breathing pattern. You might try to elongate the breath out. As you breathe in through your nose, feel the breath exiting out through the mouth, gently, slowly, with ease, perhaps lengthening your exhalation longer than your inhale, beginning to promote the nervous system to shift into a state of rest and digest. It's now time to set our sankalpa. Take a moment to connect with your deepest desire, your sankalpa for this Yoga Nidra practice. Let it be a positive statement that is true for you in this moment. Repeat your sankalpa silently to yourself 3 times with conviction, feeling it as if it has already manifested. If you're not working with a sankalpa at the moment, you might try this one. I am deeply relaxed and at peace. Or, I sleep soundly and wake up feeling refreshed. Settle into the energy of your sankalpa and carry it with you throughout this practice, as if you're writing down a message to yourself and keeping it close to your heart. I am deeply relaxed and at peace. I sleep soundly and wake up feeling refreshed. Let's begin our body scan now. If your mind wanders during the body scan, simply bring it back to the sensation of your breath or the area of the body you're focusing on. Allow yourself to fully immerse in the experience of relaxation. Bring your awareness to your feet. Notice the sensation of your toes, the arches of your feet, and your heels pressing into the ground or whatever surface they are resting on. Observe any warmth, coolness, tingling, or other sensations in your feet. As you exhale, imagine any tension or discomfort moving away from your feet. Now, shift your awareness up to your calves and shins. Notice the sensation of your muscles relaxing, letting go, releasing tightness, soreness, or any type of tension. Observe any feelings of heaviness or lightness in your lower legs. Let your awareness expand up to your knees and thighs, all the way to your hips. Feel the release of any tension in these areas as you exhale. Continue to scan your body, moving up to your abdomen, your chest, and shoulders. Notice the sensation of your breath flowing in and out, belly rising and falling, chest expanding and descending, shoulders broadening and releasing. Observe any feelings of tightness, heaviness, or lightness in your torso. Allow your breath to flow naturally and imagine any tension or stress leaving your body with each exhale. Now move your awareness to your arms and hands. Observe the sensation of the smaller muscles in your arms relaxing, and your hands resting on your lap or whatever surface they are resting on, letting go, surrendering. Notice any warmth, coolness, or tingling in your fingers and palms. Shifting your awareness to expand up to your neck, jaw, and face. Feel the release of any tension you're holding, any tension at all in these areas, releasing with each exhalation. Finally, scan your whole body from head to toe, observing any remaining sensations or areas that you feel are tense. Can you let go one bit further? If you could release 1% more of tension out of your body, imagine your whole body sinking into a state of deep relaxation and rest. As if you're sinking into a soft bed of clouds. Remind yourself to simply bring your awareness back to your breath if you notice your mind wandering. This is your time for you. Move your attention to your breath. Notice the sensation of the air flowing in and out of your nostrils. Observe the temperature and texture of the air as it enters and exits your body. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest and belly with each inhale and exhale. I'd like you now to imagine, as you inhale, a wave of calmness and relaxation spreading throughout your entire body. Imagine this wave traveling from the crown of your head all the way down to the tips of your toes. As you exhale, imagine any tension or stress leaving your body without trying to control or manipulate it. Simply be the observer, observing your breath flowing in, flowing out, watching the waves of the ocean ebb and flow in and out, up and down. If your mind wanders during breath awareness practice, simply bring it back to the sensation of your breath, Notice any thoughts or distractions that arise during this time. Remember not to judge them. Be the observer. Try not to get caught up in them. Let them go. Just noticing. Acknowledge them and gently bring your attention back to your breath. As you continue to focus on your breath, you may notice it becoming slower and deeper. You may also notice a sense of spaciousness or expansion in your body and mind. Allow yourself to fully immerse in the experience of breath awareness, letting go of any worries or distractions. It's time to use your imagination to create a peaceful scene in your mind. If your mind wanders during the visualization practice, simply bring it back to the scene you've created in your mind. Allow yourself to fully immerse in the experience of visualization, letting go of any worries or distractions you may have. Imagine a place where you feel completely relaxed and at ease. This can be a real place that you've been to before, or a completely imaginary place. Visualize the scene in as much detail as possible. Notice the colors, shapes, and textures around you. Is it a beach, a forest, or a mountain? Are there any sounds you can hear, like the waves crashing on the beach, or birds chirping off in the distance? Are there any smells, like the salty sea air, or the scent of pine trees? Allow yourself to fully immerse in this peaceful scene. Imagine yourself walking through this place, feeling the soft sand beneath your feet or the cool grass between your toes. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin or the cool breeze on your face. Imagine yourself lying down on the ground or sitting in a comfortable spot along the path, completely relaxed and at peace. As you continue to visualize this scene, notice any sensations of relaxation or calmness in your body. Imagine this peaceful scene as a sanctuary where you can come to whenever you need to feel calm and relaxed. It's now time to return to your sankalpa that you set at the beginning of your practice. Repeat your sankalpa 3 times. Allow the words to sink in. Visualize your sankalpa as if it's already true. Imagine yourself embodying this intention, feeling fully rested and rejuvenated. As you repeat your sankalpa silently to yourself, notice any sensations of relaxation or calmness in your body. Trust that your intention is being heard and that the universe is working to make it a reality. Take a moment to reflect on how you are feeling. Notice the sensations of relaxation or calmness. How do they feel in your body? Allow yourself to savor this feeling of deep relaxation, knowing that it will continue to nourish you and replenish you long after this practice. Take a few more deep breaths, filling your lungs with air and exhaling fully. As you breathe out, letting go of any last tension or stress that you may be holding somewhere. Visualize yourself surrounded by a warm, loving light. This light represents the love and positivity that you have been cultivating through this practice. Allow yourself to bask in this light, knowing that you are safe, supported, and loved. I'd like you now to take a deep breath in and exhale fully, returning back to the surface. You might be ready now to wiggle your fingers and toes, and at your own pace, let your eyes slowly open if you're moving on from this practice. Take a moment to notice how you feel and carry this sense of calm and relaxation with you as you continue into the rest of your day. As you prepare to leave this practice and continue with your day, remember this sense of relaxation and well-being is always available to you. You can return to your sankalpa anytime to help ground yourself and give you a sense of calm and positivity. Thank yourself for taking this time to care for your body and mind. Know that this practice has set the foundation for a restful and rejuvenating sleep, and that you'll wake up feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day. You may slowly open your eyes if you're moving on from here, and take in the space around you. Let the eyes stay soft and gentle. Take a moment to express gratitude for this opportunity to practice Yoga Nidra and the time that you saved and carved out for you, for all the blessings in your life. Carry this sense of peace and gratitude as you continue into your day and plant seeds of positivity that will continue to grow and nourish you in the days and weeks ahead. Thank you for being here. I would love to hear from you in the comments below. And if you would like to support this channel, please like, share, and subscribe for more yoga and deep relaxation practices. May you be happy, may you be healthy, and may you be in peace.